You know as well as I do that your tires are going to be too hot to check tire pressure, but things that we can check for when getting out of the truck, right, is our lights, and make sure we're not leaking. Make sure the truck's not leaning to one side or the other. That may indicate that we have something wrong with the suspension or tires that occurred on the trip. So personally, I turn my lights on and I stand back away from the vehicle. Look overhead, check my clearance lights, amber lights, signals, and headlights, and then we walk around the back of the vehicle and do the same. As we progress along the vehicle, what we want to check is make sure that none of our hub oilers are leaking. That would be indicated by seeing pooling along the rims or sprays of oil along those rims. Make sure we don't hear any hissing from tires that may be leaking in case we picked up a nail alongside our trip. And again, these steel hub oil seals, even if they blow out, we're going to get some pooling here in the tire. And it's very evident that tire will be soaked. As we progress along the vehicle, we're going to check, make sure our midship lights are still on and functioning, and then on down to the back of our vehicle. Other things that we can do at this time, we may not be able to check that tire pressure, but we can check the tread depth to ensure that our tires are where they need to be. And if they need to be changed, we can put that on our DDIR at this point. Again, progressing to the back of the vehicle, checking our splash guards, make sure they're not hanging or draping underneath the vehicle or stuck against the tire. And make sure everything's as it should be on the back of the trailer, not rusted like this one. That's your tip for the day.